Shout out Calex, my man Alex in California sent me a package, so we are doing a little live reveal of what my good man Calex has sent. Alex, appreciate everything. Oh my god, we got Nature's. Can I even say this? Are we 5 minutes in? Nature's Cock Shocks. We got some hard rock here. Calendar 2025. My man Alex, appreciate this. This is awesome. And hey, look, is it a cock or is there a face? I see a face on that. Look at that. There's eyes, nose, mouth, chin, all of it right there. Right there, right? That's what I see. Are they monuments trying to be hidden as hard rock? Hard rock. Shout out Calex. This is epic and awesome. All right, well, we're past. Gotta give. It's no longer January, but January, that's a face. I see a carved face left over on that. But that's just me. Oh, look at what we got here. For February, we got cactus. We got a cactus for February. Looky. That is hilarious. Appropriate for Valentine's Day coming up. We got prickly cactus. Well, we will unveil each photo as the months go on to keep it going. Oh yeah, shout out, not sure, right? It is a P. Rick right there. That is a prick of a cactus prick. All right, so that's freaking hilarious and awesome. Appreciate you, Alex. Shout out to Calex in California for sending that epic, awesome calendar. Hilarious and amazing. Oh dear. I've lost Bert and Ernie. Homunculus down.
You crazy mother. Yeah.
It's just BurnEye.
Hey, Bernie, just like last week, huh?
Weekend at Bernie's.